What's going on? What's going on? All right, let's get into it. I don't even know why these are here. All right, took a trade today, break even on the day. Uh, Forex Factory. We had news. I didn't wait for this 9 a.m. But yeah, retail, core retail sales at 7:30. But whatever. Let's get into the trade. Today's break even. So here is the yeah. Bro, it's so annoying. I got filled like below my entry, so it wasn't even break even. Kind of annoying, but whatever. Um, let's go into the trade. So coming into the day, kind of go through the thought process and everything. What I was looking at. Um, I hate seeing this like after the fact. I wish I can go in replay mode or something. But I mean, I was bullish. I wanted to see price tap into these hourly gaps, like this one and this one potentially, and like just see some sort of manipulation before we want to go higher. Uh, the thing was we had a bearish SMT, so that was a thing that I really don't remember. So is this what is this? This previous day high. Um, yeah, but just looking at overall market structure, I mean we're pretty bullish. Just all these green candles going up, and essentially that was it. So I wanted to see some retrace before we want to go higher on NQ to take this high out, which we eventually did. Which then now I remember we didn't hit this high yet on NQ before market open. So that's why this was obviously it wasn't my draw because I got break even. I'll show you my draw. So my draw on liquidity is probably like I probably should have just took a piece of the pie. But it was like this high and then this hourly high we eventually made. But yeah, I mean, I had all these stacked up highs that we could potentially go to that I saw like on the 15-minute time frame. Um, I don't know really why I marked all these highs. I used to do that in the past. I don't know why, but we have like these stack highs. I see that we have these like low resistance highs that we can potentially take out. So I marked it out, and so that was why I was bullish. And I love seeing this reaction. Well, it really wasn't based on the reaction. It was just like based on like the fact that we got this big retracement that I wanted to see, and then if we were bullish, we shouldn't really go like back to those lows because it's like high resistance. I'm still kind of trying to learn because I watched the video yesterday that got posted, and it's been really helping. I mean, it's helping the back testing sessions than it usually has. Like back testing for me this past month has been like brutal. But now like it's kind of opening my eyes up, like realizing what high resistance and low resistance liquidity is. And a lot of the continuation trades I take, oh, a little 5 minute gap tap and then like a 1 minute inverse. It like I wonder why it never works. And it's always most likely because we just swept some sort of low inside a gap. So like that low shouldn't get really traded into because it's high resistance. So yeah, it's a lot of learning to be done, a lot of studying that I need to do this weekend, but I'm getting better. It's a slow process, so you have to trust it. But yeah, I mean, I took my entry was based on this 1 minute inverse right here. Uh, I was very, I was hesitant because I'm not really used to taking these entries like this, like essentially this bottom entry after like this completely like look at this dump. But yeah, ended up like working out really well. Probably should have just took the piece of the pie. I mean, this is such a good RR still. A 1.77. It's a great risk to reward. But I guess you could say I was being greedy. I was trying to catch this buy side that we did not get. did not hit, and we edged it, and then we dumped all the way to break even. And then I saw this. I was like, bro, if we hit. Actually, I really wanted to hit TP because that would have meant like we were correct on the bias. I mean, we partially were. I mean, if I literally put TP right there, like it literally gets hit. So, and I have a winning trade. So, but something to learn from. It's better than a loss, but yeah. When did I go break even? I mean, I probably went break even at this point. I really don't remember. At this point, or maybe if we inverse this gap. Um, but yeah, I mean, it looked pretty good. I wonder if there was a SMT as well. I mean, yeah, I mean, there's got to be some sort of SMT. Look how low we went compared to ES. Uh, I guess no, we didn't have an SMT, but that just would have added more confluence to the trade. Very unfortunate. I should have just took a piece of the pie in hindsight, definitely. There was no need to try to target. Originally, I really had it here because, I mean, it's so close. Like I said, this is like a 15-minute high, something like that. That doesn't really need to get hit. I mean, this isn't even, I mean, uh, I don't know. Just unfortunate break even. I didn't, yeah. But that's the end of the week. Got to do a lot of studying. I mean, I just finished like a whole back testing session just now, and I'm gonna take a break and then just get back on the charts again. Just study, study, study. I know a lot of people say shouldn't be spending so much time back testing, but I really need it. Like everyone's different. Everyone's, some people are better market analysis than others, and some are better at psychology than their market analysis. So right now, I'm just trying to see. I don't know, dude. I don't even feel like making this video, and I just want to get off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Went over everything essentially. Last thing, I'm just gonna check if we have anything next week. Um, Nothing really, but that's it. Have a great weekend, everyone that's watching this. Probably no one, but yeah, 1% better every day. God bless.